Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today, it was a disappointing day. In the morning, the GIF Nifty was indicating about 50-60 point higher opening. Even the pre-market also. In fact, market opened around 50 point higher. Then the profit booking came. The profit booking was so bad that Nifty has fallen more than 200 points from intraday high to low. The Bank Nifty has fallen more than 600 points at the lowest point. Of course, towards the end of the day, there was some recovery. HDB Financial, so the grey market, it was trading around 810 rupees. But in the pre-market, it opened around 835. Then for most part of the day, it was trading around 840. That's about 100 rupees premium to the issue price. That's about 14% premium. That is considered to be a good premium given the fact that retail portion subscribed only 1.5 times. I think retail people have got, every retail people who applied, they got the allotment. It was a formal allotment. But despite that, there was a 100 rupees premium. So that is really very good. But what people thought, a positive opening for this HDB Financial will have some positive impact on HDFC Bank. But on the contrary, HDFC Bank is the worst performing stock today. HDFC Bank alone contributed for about 40-45 points fall in Nifty, and HDFC Bank alone contributed more than 200 point fall in Bank Nifty. The financials, in fact, is the worst performer today. HDFC Bank, Reliance, and L&T. So these three stocks together contributed for about 80 point fall out of the total 90 point fall in Nifty today. I think the most of the fall is because of these three stocks. PSU banks, which were rallying for the last 4-5 trading session, came under profit booking today. The PSU bank index has fallen 1%. And mid-cap index, which have been rallying for the last 5-6 trading session, today also came under selling pressure. Metal stocks did well. So there is some news from China, so demand supply data. So because of that, metal stocks were okay. Auto stocks, auto index ended in green after the monthly sales data. IT stocks were okay. But overall, it is a disappointing closing. And because the Nifty closed below 25,500. 25,500 put option at the highest open interest. Now it is closing about 40-50 point lower than that 25,500. But however, as I told you, as I've been telling you for the last many days, 25,200 to 26,000 is the range for this week, and then that is being held on. Some other news like Hero MotoCorp and IndusInd Bank. So they both may be getting out of Nifty 50. So IndusInd Bank has fallen so much today. Two new stocks that will be coming to in Nifty 50, likely to be Indigo Airlines, one, and Max Healthcare is the second one. So this may happen, maybe in another 1 or 2 months. So otherwise, there is nothing very big. European markets were trading with a positive bias, but now slightly negative. That's because, US private sector jobs data came that was below expected. So because of that, there's some slight, because those markets are at all-time high. So some slight profit booking is not ruled out. But we are not nowhere near the all-time high. So what I've been talking for the last few days, 25,200 to 26, and that is how this whole week has gone. Tomorrow we just have one day, 25,200, and the upside, today 25,600 call option being added heavily. Because in the short term, technically the markets have become bearish on an hourly chart. So because of that, people sold 25,600 call option heavily. So looks like tomorrow it is going to be between 25,200 and 25,600. So FII data is still not out. So that will be coming late. And one of the main reasons why the selling came today, yesterday after a long time, for the first time, net institutional figure was negative. So FIIs have sold for about 2,500 crore, I think. The domestic institution have bought only for about 900 crore. So net figure. So that is one of the reasons why there was a huge profit booking today. Yesterday also I told you there were a number of block deals in ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Reliance. So the people thought, so because of this block deal yesterday, the prices went up. So they decided to book the profits today. So anyway, overall, we are still consolidating. I think we will continue to consolidate next week also. Any breakout we can expect only in the third week when the corporate results start coming in. So until then, you just sell both call and put, so you just keep, because of time decay, you keep making some profit. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.